Hey, so I've been seeing people post their Altoids kits, like their EDCs, as their wallet, as pen cases, and I thought, why not join in the fun? Mine's a little different though, it's a journaling kit. It's a journaling kit which houses all the essential supplies that I use on a regular whenever I journal. So this is it, just a regular Altoids tin, and I wasn't able to decorate it much for now, but I think I might try to do it in the future. And it's kind of fun knowing there's a whole mini journaling setup inside. So let's explore the contents. So this is the tiniest fountain pen that I have in my collection. This is the Mahjong 1 Kai in fine nib, and it becomes a full-length, full-sized fountain pen when posted. So it's currently inked with Varingold Mad Hatter. Okay, so the next item is this pen rest from a Benu fountain pen that I have, and it's awesome that it fits inside. Okay, so as you can see, it's very functional even though it's really tiny. I also have this mini glue stick which looks like a lip balm, and this is a glue sticks which I got from Hobonichi website from last year. It also fits there. I use it to stick my ephemera, receipts, and other decorative components of my journal pages and spreads. I also have this paper clips which I also use to journal and to keep the pages flat so that I can write on them easily. And these are fountain pen nib designed. I also have mini scissors. This is actually a brow scissor which I don't use, so I tried putting it in and it fits. So it can cut but not too accurately, but it's decent. So as you can see, I was able to cut this piece of stamp paper. Okay, so this one I'll discuss later. I also have a magnetic bookmark which can also be used as a paper clip to flatten the journal pages. So I also have this mini washi tape holder. They're just pieces of PVC boards, and I put some washi tapes from Everyday Explorers Co., which are both functional and decorative at the same time. Okay, so here's the thing that I wanted to share. I improvised a mini sticker book, if you will, sticker notebook, which I cut from a release paper. These are just the release paper that I have lying around that I don't normally use. Well, I plan to use, but I haven't, so I use it here. It houses all the stickers and the PET tape cutouts that I am currently fond of and I plan to use for my journals. So I'm really proud of this creation. As you can see, the cuts are really jagged and it's imperfect, but I love it and I'm proud of it. I also plan to create more of this to fit on my other small journaling kits. So it fits quite a lot. I'm surprised and really excited to actually use this whenever I'm outside. I really had so much fun building this mini journaling kit, and I couldn't believe that there are a lot of things that could fit inside this tiny tin box. So let me know in the comments, if you were to build your own Altoids tin kit, what would it be and what are the things that you'll put inside? I would love to hear your ideas. Again, this is Laloon Bunny. Thank you for watching. Have a creative and happy day. Bye!